Hey YouTubers, it's Johnny Valentine with Gain Solar coming at you with another off-grid project. I'm here delivering material for the start of my job. I got my buddy engineer 775 and old Abraham coming on the job tomorrow, and I'm even going to be bringing brother-in-law out here. So this is a completely off-grid house. They built the carriage house garage first, then they went ahead and built the main house. You can see right here, there's the propane tank. There's the well, also a generator, multiple wood burning appliances, so there's different chimneys. You can see this guy had just pretty much impeccable taste. Solar hot water up there. So we've got two different solar arrays, but these solar arrays, the way that they're situated on the house, they just don't get enough sun in the wintertime. So what we're going to be doing in this project is adding some solar. So we're going to be adding a third solar array, about 3,500 watts, to a food storage building that this customer has built, and it's across the creek. So you can see right off, toughest part of this job is going to be getting some pipe from the mechanical room where the batteries and the inverter are located across the stream and over to one of these outbuildings, which I'll take you to in a moment. But this video is mainly to give you a job overview and ask you guys, what are the kind of things that you really want us to focus on and show you on these installs? Where are the mysteries in your brain? You can see this is a standing seam metal roof. I'll be showing you how we attach to this roof, and just be trying to show you other things. But if people can get in there quick enough and comment, I'll try to document the stuff that I know you guys might want to see in the videos that I shoot in the next couple of days. So we'll be doing this job this week. I'll take you over to where we're going to be doing the install. So I'm now inside the upper part of the garage carriage house where the power room is located. And you can see this big old 48 volt telecom style battery here. This is a GNP Absolute 600 amp hour battery. You might have seen this in some of my earlier videos. But I'm going to be chopping in a third charge controller for that third solar array. It's going to go right there. And I'm going to connect it in. I'm going to be putting in a wireway and cleaning all this up. This was a job that was installed by other solar contractors 3 or 4 years ago, and they had me come in and do little things and fix things and do some of this, but it was always, you know, the equipment would be in place and I'd have to make it work with the material on hand. So never really got a chance to do this project the way I wanted to do it. And I also didn't know Jason Andrade then, so I wasn't doing that high-end electrical work. But now I'm going to get to come in here and redo this mech room a little bit and really clean it up and make it look a lot better. And hopefully get the generator so it works better too. The generator's always been kind of weird, the generator auto start in this building. So here's the generator. It's a Kohler generator, and like I said, I wasn't here in the beginning of this project, but they kind of hemmed it in here with this concrete. Elias just noticed a little bit of snake skin right there. It's always really comforting.
And I got this part out.
Yeah, and then we got another big old snake skin right there. So I'm hoping I can get into these 1 1/4 pipes and this 3/4 pipe that's coming in from the back of the generator and get all my wires into the solar through here. So not destroying all this beautifully landscaped property and still getting the pipe to the other side of that building, traversing this little babbling brook and getting over to this house are all going to be very difficult. This is the kind of stuff that's in a solar project. You know, these are the things that get really hard. Now I do know that there's 2 2-inch pipes underneath this bridge. I dug it up and uncovered it. I don't know if they're full of sand or anything, but this is the food storage barn this guy built, and he's just going to be storing a lot of his long-term food storage in here. It's kind of cool. I've never really seen a dedicated, seen some stuff underground, but this is a really well insulated building. It's got a floating insulated concrete slab. It's like a floating slab, so the insulation is like completely encased in concrete. I didn't tell you that right, but you can look it up. But this is going to fit 12 by 20. This is going to fit solar panels just perfectly, and it's going to fit 12 panels. And then we're going to be doing one of those mini split solar air conditioners. We're going to install that over here. And This is where our solar is going to come off. Our electrical for this building is going to go in here. So we're going to be trenching 2 lines. We're going to bring power to this building for the solar mini split. If it needs to run and the solar is not available, it can run off regular regular AC power 240, and then if it wants to, it can also run off the solar directly. So we'll be bringing a DC circuit and an AC circuit from this building all the way over there to that spot. Good gracious, that's a lot of pipe. That's what I said when they loaded it on there. But I got my panels and my pipe delivered, my bulk items. Big black truck gets me here safely. So I got 12 panels, 700 feet of pipe. Panels going on the roof, pipe going in the ground. And big black. Running that solar delivery service. The boy's been fishing. Alright guys, so I got my panels, my 12 panels delivered. I got my 700 feet of pipe on site. And tomorrow we're going to hit it hard. They're dropping the machine off. We're going to dig that trench. We're going to put the panels on the roof and the pipe in the ground. So make sure you like, comment this video. Tell me what you want to see on this install, folks, because she's going to go quick. She's going to go right. And if you don't get on there and subscribe and comment, I don't know what to show you.